What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I'm back with another video. So I've got some cases in from Poetic. Appreciate them sending these over for review. We're gonna take a look at them for the Pixel 4 XL. So I got the Affinity, the Revolution, and the Guardian. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on one by one here. Let's go ahead and start with the Revolution. Looking for a big impact case, or something to really protect your phone from Poetic. This is what you can look forward to when you get this case. If I can get it open, good. You'll get some full coverage here, and you'll get that serious drop protection that some may look for. You do have a kickstand back here. This is the thing right now. If you have phones, larger phones, it's good to have a kickstand so you can watch your movies and stuff like that. So this case definitely has one on there. So you just peel from the bottom here, a corner, and then you'll be able to get into the case. There you go. It's so funny, it's upside down. It's actually on the bottom down there. It's weird. All right. I do have a tempered glass on here, so I'm curious to see how this will play. In most cases, when I use these, they definitely play well with the tempered glasses when leaving them on for when I do these reviews or unboxings. So this case right here should be a snug fit. And you should be able to get your phone. This is pretty sweet. This is probably my least favorite of any case that they make. However, depending on the phone, I've learned it looks really good and works really good. So touch sensitivity should be okay. Remember, I have a tempered glass on here, and their screen protector is over top of it. And you know, like about this case, you can see all the different sensors with the cutouts here that they had to make. Anyway. This is the Revolution, and let's pop this one off. Get the next one on. I think it's only a little snug because I have this tempered glass on here. I mean, it is a case that's snug, but at the same time, it's not really that snug when putting on and off. All right, next up is the Guardian. Same type of case, just a different design. See what I mean here? Still got that same type of protection, full body. This one's a little bit more soft though, because it's got a plastic back with a clear back. That sound is just so gratifying. I don't know anybody who doesn't like that sound. Some people cringe at it, but it's just satisfying to rip the plastic off a new product. Oh, I must have hit the button too. Oh, there we go. All right, so obviously, also orange shines all the way through. You got a nice cutout camera, just like this case right here. These cases are compatible with wireless charging because there's no metal inside of them. Just take note of that. Deeply recessed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Also orange shining through. Camera cutout is deeply recessed, just like this heavy duty case right here. Corner protection. It's going to be really nice. Make sure all your microphones and ports and everything are cut open. You probably get, dang, Jay, you breezed through that first one. The first one was really hard to get on and off, in my opinion. All your ports and everything is there. Lip protection. Lay on the table design. Front and rear. Nice matte feel. Grippy feel on this one. This one is super grippy. You can just see the difference here in the two. Really lots of grip on both of these. These cases to me are pretty much the same, just a different design on the outside. And this one has a harder shell on the back. That's ultimately all that I can see that's different on these. Yeah, and you got a kickstand. But that is the Guardian. And I think you'll like this one. Some people really like this one. I've actually purchased one of these Guardians before I started working a lot with case manufacturers. When it first dropped, I was buying a lot of the cases, and they said, "Hey Jay, why don't you let us work with you?" I'm like, "Wow, thanks." It's a huge feeling of accomplishment when case manufacturers or just anyone reaches out to you. Now, the one that I obviously am going to probably wear the most is this case right here, because I do have a tempered glass already on my phone. So that helps. And this is the also famous Affinity case. Oh, bumpy cam. This case is definitely the fan favorite, I'm sure. It's just a fantastic feeling case. And again, remember, all these cases work with wireless charging. Just take note of that. The Oso Orange shines through nice and bright. You got a clear back. This actually comes in multiple colors. So I did a full suite on the iPhone setup for this one with all the colors, and they just come in some beautiful colors. But this is the clear black, and you can see the camera is deeply recessed here. You've got corner protection, lay on the table design. If I didn't have this tempered glass on here, I still had a lot of lay on the table design. So take note of that. Buttons and everything are clicky on these right here. I think it's safe to say that this case right here, the button placement, actually have these in order. This one feels the best, second best, third best. This is the stiffest of them all, folks, because it's really there to protect your phone. But they all have great protection advantages when it comes to having them on your phone. So lots of grip on this one on the sides. These are all, they're matte, all ports and everything. No flaps on this one. This is why I like this one the best. It's just open, but it's protected. Yeah. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, man. A real quick video on the lineup from Poetic. Was sitting on these for a minute, but I'm about to travel, so I had to get this out for you, at least get this created for you. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Check the links in the description. Look for some discount codes. They're always sneaking something on there. Take care.